What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sadie's Lab, and today we will do the experiment catch bubbles with your hand. So let's start. And here's what to get, and here's what we have from the kit. We have to get a clear cup, white cotton gloves, and a magic wand. Well, I have the gloves on. And what we have to get is some water and soap. So we have to fill the cup 3/4 of water, and it's already filled. And add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix it well. Okay, we're all done with that. Dip one end of the magic wand in the solution and then remove it. Slowly blow air through the other end of the wand and blow some bubbles. Try to catch the bubbles with your bare hand. It's hard, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to take off my gloves. This. Okay. Oh, it didn't work.
Roll it around a little bit. Maybe that will help. Yeah, try it out now. There we go. Oh, you caught it.
Oh, I caught it, but it's...
Try it again.
Oh, wait. It's floating. It's floating. Wait. Oh, it popped before I can even touch it. Whoop. It didn't work, so now we're going to do it with the gloves on. Try and make it to see if it's going to pop or not. Oh, wait, that's my pinky. Whoa. It's not popping. See that? It's cool. Whoa. Let's go. That was already bubble number 3. Tiny guy. Blowing the bubbles are a little bit tricky, so my dad's gonna blow them for me.
Nice catch. Little bitty ones.
The baby. I think the baby was going to lose his balance.
Wind bubble.
I got a double, baby. That was cool. So I think we're gonna wrap it up from here. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button, and make sure to comment down below if you like this video, and make sure to look out for more videos of the Science Magic Kit. Bye.